about to dug down and show you guys a quick video. We get this question all the time from customers. How do I change the waste toner bottle? Well, I'm about to show you right now. Very simple. Okay, open up this door here in the midsection. Very easy. And there's one tab on the right side, one tab on the left side. And the waste toner will slide right out, just like that. You see it? And we get your new one. All you'll do is take the tape off if there is any. Grab it right there. Just align it. Push it in just like that. Close the door. You guys are all set. Now that's how you change your waste toner bottle. Also, toner bottles are here in case you need to do these. Very easy. Just slide them out. New one. Take the tape off. Make sure you shake your bottle first and then slide it in like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we do it. These are great machines. Konica, I love you. What else can I show you? Nothing else right now. Stay tuned on the next video, guys. See you later. Woo!